Hi everyone, welcome to Streamline Services. Today I'm excited to guide you through downloading and setting up the STBemu application on SonyTV. Go to Apps, go down to Search, press OK and type here STBemu. Then, OK, you will see this STBemu application. There are two STBemu and STBemu Pro. Both are same. Download the first one, click on Application. Then install and open. As the downloading completes, open the application. Go to Configure Application, Profile, New Profile, Portal Settings, and Portal URL first option. Now remove this dummy URL and contact us on WhatsApp to get the URL of our portal. Press OK on OK. Press the back button one time. Go to STB configuration. Share the MAC address with us on WhatsApp. Now wait for the green signal from our end, and once you get one, press the back button 4 times. Press and hold OK button, then press right arrow key 3 times. Click OK on new profile. The portal will start to reload. Wait for a couple of seconds and you will be good to go. So let me tell you how to run the application. In this application, we provide a TV section and a video club section. In the TV section, you will find all the live TV channels, and they are categorized according to the languages. You can see we provide a wide variety of languages like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Punjabi, Urdu, and many more. You can play any channel and explore our extensive content library. Select the language you want to watch and press OK on the channel and it will start playing. Press OK for the full screen. If you miss a show, no worries. Press the right arrow on the channel to select any date and content you'd like to watch. We have a separate section for sports and news where you'll find live sports matches, recordings, and pay-per-view content all in one place. Just select the category and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching. Let's explore the video club section. Here you'll find an amazing collection of movies and web series, from new releases to classics and dubbed films. It's all neatly organized by language and content category. Simply select your preferred language category, like English latest or English TV shows, to start browsing. By clicking the right arrow on the content, you can get the details about it. You can get all these entertainment solutions for just $15. We also provide a 24-hour free trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee. To get the trial, contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you. See you later.